Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a doily dream catcher with feathers. So friends, for this project, I am using crystal yarn and a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making slip knot, make your base chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After making 6 base chain, go into this first chain and make a slip stitch to form a ring. Now start your first row with chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. After making chain 3, make chain 1. Now wrap the yarn around your crochet hook, go into the chain circle, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. So this is our second double crochet stitch after chain 3. Now make chain 1 again, wrap the yarn, go into the same ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. Take your starting yarn tail between your stitches while working. Make chain 1, go into the same ring and make a double crochet stitch again. So friends, I have made 4 double crochet stitches including chain 3. Repeat this sequence and complete 12 double crochet stitches including chain 3. So friends, I have completed my 12 double crochet stitches. Now make last chain, go into this chain 3 and make a slip stitch and pull your extra yarn. Now cut your extra yarn. Now cut this starting yarn tail and weave this ending yarn tail with the help of tapestry needle. So take your yarn tail to the back side and first of all make a knot here to secure your work so that your stitches may not lose. Now from this chain weave your extra yarn end and weave your extra yarn end to these double crochet stitches to the center of circle and cut off the extra yarn. So our first row is ready. Now change the color of yarn and wrap the yarn around your fingers and make a slip knot to your crochet hook. Now remove your crochet hook from this loop and go into any chain 1 space and pull this loop from this chain and make a chain 1, make chain 2 and chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the same chain 1 space and make double crochet 2, make chain 1, go into the next chain 1 space and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2, Now make chain 1 again, go into the next chain 1 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2. So repeat this sequence of 2 double crochet and chain 1 till the end. So friends, I have completed my second row. Now make last chain 1, go into this chain 3 and make a slip stitch, pull the extra yarn, cut it off and weave this extra yarn to some backside stitches and cut off this extra yarn tail with the help of cutter. So friends, I have completed. Now switch to next color. I have already made a slip stitch. So now pull this loop from any chain 1 space and make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our double crochet stitch again. Now go into the same chain 1 space and make double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. Take your starting yarn tail between your stitches while working. Now make chain 1, go into the next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet stitches again. 1, 2, 3. Now make chain 1, go into the next chain 1 space and make double crochet 1, 2 and 3. So now after completing this, repeat the same sequence to complete your entire row and make a slip stitch to chain 3. So friends, I have completed my third row. Now for the fourth row, go into any chain 1 space, pull your loop and make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now go into the same chain 1 space and make double crochet 2, make chain 1, go into the same chain 1 space and make 2 double crochet stitches again. 1, 2. Take your starting yarn tail between your stitches. So we have 2 double crochet chain 1 and 2 double crochet shell stitch. So now go into the next chain 1 space and repeat the same shell of 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. So now this is a very simple and easy 2 double crochet chain 1 and 2 double crochet shell stitch. Repeat this sequence till the end and make a slip stitch to chain 3. So after completing your fourth row, for the fifth row, go into this chain 1 space of shell and make chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now go into the same chain 1 space and make double crochet 2. After making 2 double crochet stitches, make chain 1, go into the space between your shell stitch and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, again make chain 1, go into the chain 1 space of second shell and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, go into the next space between your shells and make 2 double crochet. So repeat this sequence of 2 double crochet, chain 1 till the end of the row. So friends, I have completed my row. Now change your color again for the next row and pull your loop. Take this starting yarn tail between your stitches and make a chain 1 here. After making chain 1, wrap the yarn around your crochet hook, pull the yarn. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull through all 3 loops. This is our half double crochet stitch. Now repeat the process and pull through all 3 loops and make half double crochet 2. Go into the same chain 1 space again and make a half double crochet stitch 3. Now make chain 1. Go into the next chain 1 space and make half double crochet 1, half double crochet 2, half double crochet 3, chain 1, go into the next chain 1 space and make 3 half double crochet stitches again, 1, 2 and 3. So repeat this sequence till the end of row. Now again change your yarn color for the next row. Now we will work into this second row. So go into this second double crochet stitch and pull your yarn and make a chain. After making a chain, make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After making chain 5, go into this next second double crochet stitch here, pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch here. I hope you can easily understand. Again make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After making chain 5, go into the second double crochet stitch, next pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch again. To finish it, we have chain 5 loops like this. Again make chain 5, go into the second double crochet stitch here, pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch. Again make chain 5. I hope you can easily understand. Go into this second double crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch. So by repeating the same sequence, complete your row till the end. So friends, I have completed my row. Now we will make last row by connecting this hoop to our doily. So pull this loop and make a slip stitch. Now take your starting yarn tail between your stitches, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops and make a single crochet stitch, single crochet 1, single crochet 2. This is a little bit difficult for beginners. single crochet 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5 and single crochet 6. Beginners need some practice to make fine single crochet stitches to this hoop. So after completing 6 single crochet stitches, go into any loop of chain 5 and pull your loop from this chain 5 and make a single crochet stitch like this. Now again make 6 single crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After completing 6 single crochet stitches, now again make 7th single crochet stitch into this chain 5 loop to connect this loop to your hoop. Now cut this starting yarn tail and again make chain 6, 1, pull this loop, single crochet 2, three, 4, 5 and 6. After completing 6 single crochet stitches, now go into the third chain 5 loop and make a single crochet 7. So as I have connected these 3 loops by repeating the same sequence of 6 single crochet and 7th single crochet, complete your entire row. So friends, I have completed my doily hoop. After completing it, now we will decorate it with beads and feathers. So take this yarn and join this yarn to your hoop with the help of crochet hook to this single crochet stitch of chain 5 loop. So with the help of crochet hook, pull this loop and secure this loop like this. Now take another yarn, fold it in double, skip next 2 loops, go into this third one here to this single crochet stitch and pull this loop and again secure this loop by repeating the same sequence. Now join a other yarn to this one. So friends, I have joined. Now join beads to decorate your dream catcher. I will show you how to join these 2 beads. So make your yarn tail straight, and after making them straight, make a fine distance and make a loose knot here. Don't make tight knot, make loose knot and make a second knot for more secure work. And join the rest of beads by repeating the same sequence. So friends, I have joined my beads to some distance. Now I will join crochet feathers to my dream catcher. By the way, crochet feather tutorial is available in my channel. I will put link in the description box. If you need help how to crochet a feather, you can visit the tutorial video for help from the description box. So from this chain loop, pull your one yarn end and make 3 knots to more secure work. Make tight knots. You can make 2 knots as well. Now cut the extra yarn and turn your feather to straight. And as I have joined this feather, join the rest 2 feathers by repeating the same sequence. So our doily dream catcher with feathers and beads is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question about this project, please tell me in the comment section. I will answer your questions. If you like this tutorial, please give it a try for your home decoration. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.